Ayan guys, ano tayo ngayon, di tayo nanalo sa first round. So let's try na ano natin, no? Let's try to win in the second round. Kalaban natin is from Croatia. So sana manalo tayo nito guys kasi bababa yung ano talaga natin points. Sayang yung kanina na laro. I guess we're ahead of material pero hindi natin nagawa guys. Okay lang. Let's try dito sa second round na manalo. So ayan, we use E4 opening. Yun, may mga ballpen. Ayan guys. Baka walang kalaban. Mananalo tayo ng default nito. Hanap na lang tayo ng ibang game kung sakasakali guys. Disadvantage pag di makalaro kasi walang mangyayari na points. Walang mangyayari na increase sa ating rating. Ayun, nalo tayo ng default. Yan, walang panalo. Hanap tayo ng mga naglalaro guys para meron naman tayong recording. Dito tayo sa first round 1 ba to? Tayo ngayon. Dito pa tayo magtitingin. Dito tayo magtitingin guys. Meron ba tayong kakilala dito? Si Elias Belmonte ito. Kilala natin to si Elias Belmonte. Guys. Tapos ba to? Balik tayo dun. No. What happened? Ito na lang guys yung tingnan natin. Sa mga mataas na rating. Ayan, from Mongolia, si Serenan Ganod. No. Di yan maka-on. No. Wag. Ayan guys, yung laro nila. Balik natin sa opening, no? Scandinavian yata. Laro. Yung sulit yung center. Grabe guys. Oh, ano yan? Pabinigay. Ayun guys, FIDE Master po yung si Serenin Ganod. Grabe talaga, no? FIDE. Queen. There you guys, it's already a one-piece game. What happened? Oh yeah, it's a one-piece, one rook game. And white would eventually win on this one. No, don't use that. over here. Come over here. Let's try to look at their opening, guys. Before that's d4, then e5. Okay. Okay. So early exchange of queen. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's really a bad. Okay. 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 Oh, that's a bad move. Okay. So that's why FIDE Master Gun Odd Serenian is having a great advantage. 3-5, 2-4-5. Okay. So, and also for the advantage of time, guys, the opponent already, oh, he gave the knight. It's almost a game over. Oh, from Pakistan. It's Mongolia versus Pakistan. 14 seconds, guys. 12, 11, 10. And that would be a game over. Okay. Guess that's all, guys. Gonna end the recording. Thank you very much for watching. No, we're gonna look at other games. Go back to the tournament, and we're looking at the different. Okay, so we have some games right now. This one. Okay. No, what's the 5 seconds? Black is really winning with a tremendous advantage. Yeah. Black wins the Arena International Master, wins against the opponent from the Philippines, Jelly Madi. So we're gonna stop.